Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Affinity Photo in 2026. So if you want to create transparent images, clean product photos, or professional thumbnails, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Photo official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main editing workspace. Next, click File and then Open to import your image. So choose a photo with a clear subject to make background removal easier. Now choose the selection brush tool and paint over the subject. Affinity Photo will automatically detect the edges for you. So yeah, click the refine option to improve difficult areas like hair or soft edges. This helps the final cutout look more natural. Next, press delete or apply a layer mask to remove the background completely. Now your image should have a transparent background. Finally, click File and then Export to save your image as PNG. So PNG format keeps the transparency after export. And that's how to remove backgrounds in Affinity Photo in 2026. Once you learn the selection and refine tools, creating professional transparent images becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more photo editing tutorials.